In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Pinterest account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to start saving ideas, inspiration, and projects. Start by opening your web browser and heading to pinterest.com. Type the address directly into the address bar to make sure you're on the official site. When the home page loads, look for the sign up option. It's usually prominent near the center or top of the screen. Click it to open the account creation form. Next, you'll see a field for your email. Enter an email address you can access right now, since Pinterest may send a confirmation message. If you have more than one email, choose the one you plan to use regularly so it's easier to keep track of notifications and password resets. If you prefer, Pinterest also offers sign up with Google or Apple, but in this walkthrough we'll use the email option for clarity. Now, create a password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. A password manager can be a big help here, generating and storing a secure password for you. If there's a show or hide icon, use it briefly to make sure you've typed everything correctly, then hide it again for privacy. You'll also be asked for your date of birth. Pinterest requests this to make sure you meet age requirements and to personalize your experience. Enter the correct month, day, and year. Double check the format if you're on a form that uses a different order, like day, month, year. Accuracy here can help with account recovery later on. When everything looks good, email, password, and date, click Continue. If the button is grayed out, it usually means a field is missing or invalid. Recheck your email spelling, confirm your password meets the strength guidelines, and ensure your birth date is complete. After you continue, Pinterest may guide you through a brief setup where you pick a few interests so the home feed can start showing relevant ideas. You might also be prompted to verify your email. If so, open your inbox and click the confirmation link. If you don't see the message, check your spam or junk folder and give it a minute. That's all it takes to create your Pinterest account. If you see a message that the email is already in use, try signing in instead or use the password reset option. Once you're in, you can start exploring pins, saving ideas to boards, and personalizing your profile at your own pace. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Pinterest account.